All right, 10, 11, and 12, we are solving a linear inequality with several occurrence of the variable. Again, anytime I see an equation or an inequality that has a fraction, I like to get rid of the fractions first. You could add your 4v and subtract your 5, but then you're dealing with having to find a common denominator and dividing by a fraction, which is multiplying by the reciprocal and all of that good stuff. So I suggest just get rid of the fractions by multiplying by the common denominator, which in this case is just 7. I'm going to take each term times 7. Here the 7's will cancel, so negative 5v plus, no canceling here, 35 is less than or equal to negative 28v minus 28 then. I want to solve that for v. So I'm going to add my 28v and subtract my 35. 23v is less than or equal to negative 63 then. And then of course I have to divide to solve that. I divided by a positive, so my inequality should stay the same. V is less than or equal to, and I can't really reduce that down. The only thing they're going to do is put the negative in front. So negative 63/23. And that's going to be my answer. On the next one, notice I have denominators of 6's and 4's. I want to get rid of my fractions, so I want to use my least common multiple. So I'm going to multiply everything by 12. You could use 24, it would work, your numbers would just be bigger, but I'm going to use 12. So I'm going to times 12. Times 12, times 12, times 12. So 12 times 2u would be 24u. 6 goes into 12. 2 times my minus 5 would be minus 10. Is less than or equal to. 4 goes into 12. 3 times 9 is 27. 6 goes into 12. 2 times negative 1u would be negative 2u. So I've gotten rid of all of my fractions. I need to rearrange stuff, so I'm going to add my 2u and add my 10. So 26u is less than or equal to 37. Again, I'm going to divide. I'm dividing by a positive 26, so my sign's going to stay the same. So u is less than or equal to 37/26. Not much I can do to simplify that one either. So number 12, same kind of thing. We're solving our inequality for x. I've got a 3 and an 8 for denominators. My least common multiple there would have to be 24. 3 times 8, since they don't have anything in common. So I'm going to multiply everything by 24. 3 goes into 24. 8 times 2x would be 16x. 1 times 24 is 24. It's less than or equal to 24 times a negative x would be negative 24x, and 8 goes into 24, 3 times negative 5 minus 15. So, again, I'm going to add my 24x and subtract my 24. So, 40x is less than or equal to negative 39. Again, on this one, we're dividing by a positive number, so we don't have to flip our sign. X is less than or equal to negative 39/40 then. So just watch, if you do divide by a negative, that you reverse your inequality. We didn't have any that we had to do that on, but you will.